Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss about Euler's method. Already we know that about Taylor's method. Same, the ordinary differential equation is dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. That means y dash is equal to f of x comma y. And the initial condition is y of x naught is equal to y naught. This is the formula in Euler's method. yi plus 1 is equal to yi plus h into f of xi comma yi, where I is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Once again I will repeat that yi plus 1 is equal to yi plus h means the strip value, into the function f of xi comma ya, where I is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. By using this formula we can find out the solution of given differential equation with initial condition. Okay, come to problem. Using Euler's method, compute the solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to y square minus x square with y of 0 is equal to 1 at x is equal to 0, 0.1, 0.5. Here x is equal to 0, 0.1, 0.5 means 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Okay, so that is the limit of x, 0 to 0.5. Come to solution. Given dy by dx is equal to y square minus x square. Here dy by dx is equal to y square minus x square means the function f of x comma y is equal to y square minus x square. With initial condition y of 0 is equal to 1. This is the given data. From this one, we know that the standard form of initial condition y of x naught is equal to y naught. Comparing this, in place of x naught, that is 0, x naught value 0 and y naught is equal to 1. Okay, clear. And next, h value. H is 0.1. See here, the difference between two values, that means x1 minus x naught, x2 minus x1, x3 minus x2. That is the difference between two values. That is called strip h. That is h is equal to 0.1. And next, we know that the value of x naught. Okay, and next we can find out the values of x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. That means up to limit value 0.5. Okay, x1 is equal to x naught plus h. 0 plus 0.1, that is 0.1. x2 is equal to x naught plus 2h. 0 plus 0.2, x2 is equal to 0.2, like that. Okay, otherwise x1 plus h, x3 is equal to x2 plus h. ఆ ఫార్ములా యూస్ చేసుకుని కూడా మనం x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 values మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో we get x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Okay, by Euler's method, this is the formula. yi plus 1 is equal to yi plus h into f of xi comma yi. Keep it, this is equation number 1. Put I is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on, like that. First of all, put I is equal to 0. We get y1, I plus 0, that is y1, y naught plus h into f of, in place of I we can substitute 0, x naught comma y naught. So f of x naught comma y naught means, from this one, given differential equation is y square minus x square, that is f of x comma y is equal to y square minus x square అని చెప్పాను మీకు. So from this one we can substitute the value of x and y, x naught, y naught. That means the function can be changed. H into f of x naught comma y naught can be written as h into y naught square minus x naught square. So substitute the values of y1, y naught, h and x naught. Okay, y1 which is equal to, sorry, y naught, h, y naught and x naught. Okay, y1 is equal to, y naught means from initial condition this is 1, and next h strip value 0.1, and next y naught square already, that is 1, we know that. X naught value 0, that is also from initial condition. Okay, so substitute these values. After that we get 1.1. So therefore y1 is equal to 1.1. And next put I is equal to 1. Put I is equal to 1 means yi plus 1. Okay, from this one put I is equal to 1. y2 is equal to y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1. Okay, see here, y2 is equal to y1 plus h into f of x1 y1. So y2 is equal to y1 value 1.1, we know that, h 0.1. This is the function in x1 and y1. So y1 square minus x1 square. Okay, 1.1 plus 0.1, y1 value is 1.1, x1 value is 0.1. So after simplification we get y2 is equal to 1.22. Next, same, put I is equal to 2 in 1. ఆ ఫార్ములాలో మనం I is equal to 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినట్టయితే we get y2 plus h into f of x2 comma y2. x2 comma y2 function f of x2 comma y2 means y2 square minus x2 square, because the given differential equation is f of x is equal to y square minus x square. Say this one. Okay, so x2 y2 square minus x2 square, substitute those values y2, h and x2. After simplifying that, y3 is equal to 1.36484. okay, here y2 value is 1.22. we get the answer. Okay, and next put I is equal to 3 in 1. y4 is equal to y3 plus h into f of x3 comma y3. y3 plus h into f of the function x comma y is y square minus x square. Here x3 and y3, so y3 square minus x3 square. This is the answer after substituting the values of y3, h, x3. After simplification we get y4. Okay, similarly y5, that means put I is equal to I4, that is y5 is equal to y4 plus h into f of x4 comma y4. y4 plus h into f of x4 comma y4 can be expressed as, from the given differential equation, y4 square minus x4 square. Okay, the value, substituting the values of y4, h, x4 here, 1.542119 plus strip value 0.1 and y4 value is this one, x4 value 0.4 here. Okay, so we get the value of y5 is 1.7639319. so finally we can express the value of y. Here the x values, or here x0 goes to x5, that means 0 to 5 values. X is equal to 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. So x0 value 0, from initial condition y value 1, and next 0.1 we get y1 value, that is 1.1, and next y2 value 1.22, y3 1.36484, and next y4 1.542119, and next fifth y5 value 1.7639. so this is the graph. So this is the final answer of the given differential equation y square minus x square with initial condition y of 0 is equal to 1 by using Euler's method. Okay, it is clear. I hope you are all understanding. Okay, so second problem ను ఒకసారి చూడండి. Using Euler's method, find the value of y of 2. The differential equation is dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 1, and y1 of y of 1 is equal to 2 here. So here the differential equation is 3x square plus 1 and the initial condition is y of 1 is equal to 2. We can find out the value is y of 2. Okay, so by using Euler's theorem. Here h values మీకు 2 ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ. టేక్ h is equal to 0.5, h is equal to 0.25 and h is equal to 0.5 ఒకసారి తీసుకొని మనం y of 2 వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి ఈ ఈక్వేషన్కి. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ h is equal to 0.25 టేకప్ చేసి సేమ్ ఈక్వేషన్కి మనం y of 2 వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో 2 స్టేజెస్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఓకే, గివెన్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇస్ దిస్ వన్. ఇట్లా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, ఒకసారి చూడండి. dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 1. That is f of x comma y is 3x square plus 1. Okay, and initial condition is y of 1 is equal to 2 here. That means x naught value, that means comparing this y of x naught is equal to y naught. So x naught value 1, y naught is equal to 2. Okay, first case take h is equal to 0.5. We have to find y. We know that the value of x naught here, x naught is equal to 1. So we can find x1 and x2. Same, x naught plus h, that means x naught value 1 plus h value is 0.5. Already given that. So 1 plus 0.5 is 1.5. So x1 is equal to 1.5. x2 is equal to x1 plus h. 1.5 plus 0.5 which is equal to 2. x1 is here, h value is 0.5, x2 is equal to 2. So x1, x2. By Euler's method, this is a formula. yi plus 1 is equal to yi plus h into f of x a comma yi. Okay, step 1, put I is equal to 0 in this one. We get I plus 1, 0 plus 1 is y1 is equal to y0 plus h into f of x naught y naught. X naught y naught means the function is f of x comma y is 3x square plus 1. So here in place of x we can substitute x naught only. Ante. Okay, next 3x square plus 1. So in place of x, x naught 3x naught square plus 1. Okay, y naught value 2 from initial condition. 2 plus h value 0.5, 3 into x naught value 1. 1 plus 1. So 2 plus 0.5 into 3 into 1 square plus 1, that is 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. That is y1 value 4. Y of x1, y1 means y of x1, right? Y of x1, y of 1.5, which is equal to 4. Okay, y of 1.5 means y of x1 is x1 అనే వాల్యూ దగ్గర, x1 అనే పాయింట్ దగ్గర మనం y వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో y of x1 is 1.5. So y of x1 means y of 1.5, which is equal to 4. And next put I is equal to 1 in equation 1. y2, I is equal to 1 substitute చేస్తే y2 is equal to y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1. y2 y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1. y1 h f of x1 comma y1 means 3x1 square plus 1 from the given differential equation. Okay, 4 plus 0.5, 3, x1 value is 0.5 plus 1 whole square plus 1. So y2 is equal to 7.875. Okay, here what is the x1 value? 1.5, right? Here 1.5. So y2 is equal to 7.875. So y of x2 is equal to y of 2. That means y of 2, that is the second value, x2. So y at 2, y of x2 means y at 2, that is 7.875. So first case మనకి 0.5 h అనేది 0.5గా టేకప్ చేసి మనకి వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నారు. సో హియర్ y of x2, y of 2 is equal to 7.875. This is the answer. X value is 1, 1.52. Y value is 2, 4, 7, 875. So 2 అనేది ఇనిషియల్ కండిషన్ నుంచి మనకి వస్తుంది. 4 y of x1, y of 1.5. This is 7.875. Okay, clear. So this is the graph. This is the final solution of the given differential equation 3x square plus 1 by using Euler's method. And same second one, h is equal to 0.25. సో హెచ్ వాల్యూ స్ట్రిప్ వాల్యూని 0.25గా మనం టేకప్ చేసి సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్లో మనం సొల్యూషన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. సో మెటీరియల్ మీకు ఆల్రెడీ నేను బైండర్లో అప్డేట్ చేశాను. సో ప్రాబ్లమ్ని ఒకసారి మీరు నోట్ చేసుకుని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినట్టయితే మీకు బాగా అర్థమవుతుంది. సో సెకండ్ కేస్ చూడండి, టేక్ హెచ్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0.25. we find out the values of x1, x2, x3, x4. ఓకే, స్ట్రిప్ వాల్యూ 0.25 కాబట్టి మనం హెచ్ ప్లేస్లో 0.25 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుంటూ ఆ వాల్యూస్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. అండ్ బై యూలర్స్ మెథడ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫార్ములా. వి నో దట్ ద స్టెప్ 1, put I is equal to 0, we get y of x1 is equal to y of 1.25 with 3. That means y of 1.25 means x1 value. Okay, and next same y2, that is y of x2, y of 1.5, that is x2. సేమ్ ఫస్ట్ కేసులో మనం ఎలా అయితే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసామో సేమ్ అలానే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే వీ గెట్ y of 1.5. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ y of 3, y of 1.75. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ put I is equal to 3, y of 2. Okay, y of x4 is equal to y of 2, which is equal to 8.90625. Okay, these are the values of y of x1, y of x2, y of x3 and y of x4. Okay, so this is the solution of differential equation 3x square plus 1 by using Euler's method. Okay, clear. సో మీరు ఈ 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. వాట్సాప్లోను మీకు బైండర్లోను కూడా అప్డేట్ చేశాను. ప్రాసెస్ మీకు అర్థమైతే మీకు బాగా వెంటనే సొల్యూషన్స్ వస్తాయి. ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూస్ y of 0.1, y of 0.2 for the differential equation y square plus x. Okay, and next find the value of y of 0.25 of the differential equation only dy by dx is equal to 2xy.